The new TSM ceramic thermal isolation paint is originally evolved based on Russian military researches applied in space research and different ranges of naval forces. The new TSM ceramic is nanotechnology. The key to its special isolating attribution is the microscopical size 0.03 to 0.08 hollow and air-filled ceramic balls, which when evenly distributed in a liquid mixture consist of synthetic rubber, caoutchouc, acrylic polymers and inorganic pigments. It keeps its special attributes both when warming and cooling. Our engineer and experts both think that this is the isolation material of the century. White liquid, paintable and colorable, with any color picked from the color scale, lightweight isolation paint, which is the dilutable and distiller water. Its great advantage is the high degree of vapor permeability, which is commonly known for inhibit the growth of mold. Anti-corrosion effect isolated against water and moisture as well. It is resistant to rain, temperature fluctuations, solar radiation, UV radiation and average mechanical injuries. It stretches up to 12%, non-flammable. After drying, it forms a flexible surface with water-repellent properties. The new TSM ceramic does not contain toxic or harmful ingredients, so it can be used in enclosed spaces without any extra ventilation. Fully environmental friendly material. Ecologically clean, completely non-hazardous to health. Easy to use, the isolating paint is applicable with alpinism technique without any scaffolding. Applicable with a special airbrush or small areas can be applied with a brush and or plastering. The thermal conductivity factor of the paint is 0.01 watt per meter per Kelvin. What means it is one order of magnitude better than any conventional isolation material. The paint's operating temperature is between -50 centigrades to +250 centigrades. Optimal for isolation and protection of monuments and buildings. Another great advantage is that it leaves off all the thermal bridges of buildings when used contiguous surface, resulting substantial energy savings. Both plaster and any paint can be used on new TSM ceramic without losing its special attributions. Sticks well on any elaborate and hard-to-reach surface, metal, concrete, brick, wood, plastic, rubber, cartoon and glass. Don't have to stop the operating plan, example pipeline, material flow, during the implementation or correction repair. Reduces labor and time consumption, cost of repairing or amending the isolation. CA certificated. The most common and effective utilization area. Walls of residential and factory buildings, both external and internal coatings. Metal hardwares, hangars, garage, supporting structures, bridge pillars. District heating pipeline system, steam and gas pipelines, steam boilers, air conditioning systems. Cold water pipelines prevent condensation, precipitations. Dams, water heaters and boilers, heat exchangers. Oil pipelines, both for underground and above ground design. Hot chemical mixing tanks. Water and different chemical reserves, system and tanks, cold storage. Transportation vehicles, internal structures, components, engine, room, roofing. Military equipment and other special purpose structures. Vehicular and railway tanks used for transporting different types of liquids. Ship's powerhouse, board and international structural components. Railway locomotives, wagons, isolation. The constructed surface is guaranteed for 10 years, time of use more than 20 years. Waiting for your inquiries. Our experts are available for both construction and educating the new TSM ceramic isolating paint.